To add a product on Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin account and navigate to the Products page. This page is where you manage all your products, and you can add new ones by clicking the Add Product button. Next, enter the product title and description in the corresponding fields. The title should be concise and descriptive, while the description should provide more details about the product. You can also add images to the product by clicking the Add Image button. After that, set the product price and compare at price if applicable. The price is the amount you charge customers for the product, and the compare at price is the original price of the product if it is on sale. Then, select the product type, which can be a physical product, digital product, or service. This determines how the product is fulfilled and shipped to customers. If your product has variants, such as different sizes or colors, you can add them by clicking the Add Variant button. You also need to set the inventory quantity and tracking method. This ensures that you do not oversell products and that customers receive accurate inventory information. Additionally, you can set up shipping options and rates for the product. Once you have filled out all the necessary information, click the Save Product button to add the product to your store. You can then view the product on your store's product page and make any necessary edits. It is also important to optimize your product page for search engines by adding relevant keywords and meta descriptions. This helps improve the visibility of your product in search engine results and drives more traffic to your store. By following these steps, you can easily add products to your Shopify store and start selling to customers. Remember to keep your product information up to date and accurate to ensure a positive customer experience.